In this lesson, we will learn about few other important advanced options available inside Wled tool. There is one Wled we already applied here, which is 6mm. Go inside this Wled folder. There is just only one category is showing, and there is just only one Wled we applied. If you want to see this weld, you can see it. Right click on this Wled folder and select Show Cosmetic Welds. This is just a visual representation. There is nothing to do with this weld. So hide this again. I want to add another Wled at these edges. So activate this weld tool. This time as a weld selection, I will select weld path. I have to select any one edge or multi edges. Right click on this edge and select tangency. It will select all tangents edge which is connected with this edge, and which is selected here from this graphic window. We can also see that this is selected. I want to go with 10mm. This time there is one option called defined weld symbol is showing. Select it, and from here you will be able to define all necessary weld symbol. Everything is possible here. Go inside this weld symbol, select what type of weld you are going to do. So select this fillet type. You can select any contour. I will go with flat, finishing, grinding. Then it has to be all around, so select around and press OK. Now this is the symbol it is showing. Next, another nice option is from to. From which point you want to start, you can define that. This is the starting point. Let's say I don't want to start from this point. I want to start after 10mm. Actually, this is going to start from here. If you want to move this, not this one, in that case you have to reverse it. That way, this point will be your starting point. So reverse it again. I want to make this point as a starting point, and this is that 10mm gap. And I want to start at 160. So it will start from this point. It will go up to 160, and this is the ending point. I will go with 170. Now there is another nice option is available, intermittent weld. If you want to apply this intermittent weld, activate it. Then you can define gap and weld length by using this gap and weld length option, or by using pitch and weld length option. I want to go with gap and weld length option. Then defined weld length 6 and gap I will put 10. This is the preview. Now press OK. Now this is another new weld bit. If you see from this weld folder, there is another category showing 10mm, because for this one I applied 10mm. If I want to change from 10 to 6, double click on this 10 and change this to 6, and you will see there is just only one folder because I changed to 6mm. And one nice thing is, you can see for first weld bit it is showing me length, which is very important, as well as for second weld bit it is showing me also this length.